Welcome to STAR's Programming Utility Software Demonstration. This CNC program editing software from STAR Japan supports all the latest machines in our range. STAR GB include this software with all our 3-channel machines such as the ST, SW and SV series. To start, I'll just show some of the basic features within the software. In the bottom corner here we have our template manager. This area includes sections of CNC code used regularly, such as the program header, program footer, tool calls, etc. Templates can be easily formatted and used on a single or multiple path. Templates are easily created using the New button. To insert a template into your program, simply highlight the template and click the Insert button. So if we insert program start, insert again, and there we have 3 programs which include program header and program footer across our 3 channels. In the top left hand corner of our screen we have our code list area. Again, this list can be formatted to include weight codes, tool numbers, spindle speeds and feed rate lines. It allows the user to double click in any of the codes and jump directly to that line in the program. Another useful feature is that if the weight codes have errors, these errors are immediately displayed in the code list and are easily rectified. Another useful feature is the command help function. This provides additional information on the M codes and G codes used to program the machine. In addition, there is a program pattern section. This details useful example code for different functions on the machine tool. Navigating large programs with lots of weight codes is easy using the hit and fit button at the top of the screen. This aligns the weight codes across the 3 channels, showing exactly when each section of code will be executed in relation to the other paths. Again, if there is an error in the code, the hit and fit function will display said error and allow the programmer to correct accordingly. Another useful feature is the insert weight code function, again at the top of the screen here. It checks previous weight code numbers and inserts sequentially, so across the 3 channels, and insert. You can see here now we have M10, P123, etc., etc. The NC check button is useful for checking program syntax. If there are any basic typing errors in the program, these are highlighted and easily changed. The NC check button is here. Check again. So we've obviously got an error in the program. We can double click, get straight to the error, and when we check again, the program check is complete. The coordinate calculation screen helps when important dimensions have been missed from the drawing. There are numerous intersection points that can be calculated using this function. Just put basic positions in. 20. If we calculate, the system works out the intersection point. We can then copy this to the clipboard and then paste that into our NC program. The translation function can be used to quickly adjust any coordinates in the program. As an example, if we highlight some code here, select translation button, I want to adjust the Z-axis and I want to add 20 millimeters. You can now see that we've added 20 millimeters to the coordinates of the selected area. Tooling layout sheets can easily be produced using the tooling setup button. It lists the tools in the program. We can then add details into the table at the top. We can then highlight each of the tools and associate a graphic and some more details. You can double click the tool figure, select the most appropriate for the tool in question, and some more details. That's okay. Once all the details have been entered into the system, you can preview the tooling layout with this button. When the program is finished, it can be saved in a couple of different fashions. We can either save each channel separately using P1, P2, P3 type files. Alternatively, we can use the .pa multipath system. This allows the three files to be combined into a single file, which makes it very easy to load into our FANUC controls, and it gets automatically split when the control reads the program. To summarise, PU Junior software is the perfect programming aid for multi-channel machines. The versatility of the template manager, with its ability to input code across multiple channels, makes programming multi-axis machines simple and undemanding.